My skin used to look like this, and here is exactly how I changed it. Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about 5 skincare products that have changed my skin forever. I realize I've talked about this so many times on TikTok and Instagram, but I've never talked about it on YouTube, so here's a full-length video on everything I used. But really quickly before I get into it, I do want to say I hope that you never think that your beauty is defined by the way that your skin looks or your exterior. That's never the case. And it might be harder to accept and understand than it is to just say it. And trust me, I know that. But I just want you to know, by saying and sharing this video, I am not telling you that you need to change your skin. You don't need to. Anyways, getting into the point of this video, there are 5 main products here that have worked. A lot of these are kind of skincare ingredients that you want to be looking for in your own skincare products. By the way, the skin concerns that I had were hyperpigmentation, even skin tone, so working with my skin evenness and having like one unison skin tone, and the overall hydration and health of my skin. Also, you guys, through the entire video, if you hear Teddy in the background, he is just walking everywhere, running up and down, going under my bed, so that's the noise in the background. The first skincare ingredient or product that I want to talk about is vitamin C. Now, I have tried so many vitamin C's from different brands, and I will tell you, I don't think it truly matters what vitamin C you buy, whether it's from the drugstore or if it's high-end. I think what matters is the concentration of vitamin C and also how much you use it and how consistent you are with it, because that is how well vitamin C will work, especially for hyperpigmentation. This one that I have here is from Drunk Elephant. This is a more high-end option. This one right here is from Naturium. This is a more affordable option, but it is still a little bit expensive. Some other ones that I do love are from La Roche-Posay, Physicians Formula, and Coco Kind. These are all really good options as well. The way that I use these products are generally just every single day in my routine. I would only use it in the morning. It worked well with every other skincare product that I was using. And I think I saw results the first time around after 2.5 months of use, so you have to be consistent with it. But when you compare that first picture to after using it for 2.5 months to 3 months, you're gonna be shocked. The next skincare ingredient that we're talking about is niacinamide. Again, this one is by Naturium, a more affordable option, and again, there are so many niacinamides that you can buy. Another one that I really love is from The Ordinary. It's very affordable. Niacinamide is proven to work in reducing the look of dark spots, but also just increasing your skin's hydration and overall appearance. Again, I would use this every single morning. I used it for about 2.5 months before I saw any results, but it faded my acne scars beautifully. It also kept my skin very hydrated, and also for hydration, if you were looking for something, hyaluronic acid is a way to go. That's not something that I'm going to tell you that you need if you want to fade your acne scars or hyperpigmentation, but I will say that your skin will look and feel so plump if you use hyaluronic acid in combination with everything else in this video. Another really good hyaluronic acid is from The Ordinary. The next one that I have is a specific product I'm going to recommend to you guys. This is the Good Molecules Discoloration Serum. I have run through, I think, 4 or 5 bottles of this. So I would cross the border, go to Buffalo, and get this at Ulta, but it was so good. They do ship to Canada, but I think the shipping was a little bit more expensive than I remembered, so I just figured it was easier to just cross the border and get it. But you guys, I have put so many people onto this serum. It is so amazing for you. You can use this morning and night. Again, I also only use this in the morning. The ingredients in this serum are glycerin, niacinamide, and a bunch of other brightening agents, which is really important because that is what helped get my skin to this kind of bright and radiant and even look that you're seeing. Of course, it faded any of my acne scars and hyperpigmentation that I had, and that's why I'm making this video, because I want you guys to know I wouldn't say that there's one product or skincare ingredient that worked on its own for me to get this skin, but I will say that in combination with all of this together, I got the best skin of my life. The next one is a product that I'm going to tell you guys that I think you should be using, but you don't have to use this one on its own or specifically. Rather, I mean that you should incorporate a face scrub into your routine. Couple reasons why. I'm gonna list them all for you guys. Number 1, this got rid of so much of the dry and dead skin that I had on my face, and this is really important because you're using all of these skincare ingredients on your face, so you want to make sure that any of that dead skin that's going to get in the way is being removed, and the only way to do that is by using a face scrub or some sort of exfoliant. This one is by Fenty Skin, but there are so many good drugstore options. I think the face scrub is probably the most underrated thing that no one talks about. They always talk about these crazy ingredients, but no one talks about a face scrub. A face scrub is seriously game-changing. So not only are you exfoliating your skin, you're gonna have super soft skin too. Also, if you were to just eliminate everything and only do a face scrub, you would definitely see some progress in the way that the dark spots on your face change because you're getting rid of that layer of skin. Again, I'm gonna tell you to use it with other ingredients because that's gonna speed up the process and that's probably what you're looking for. But if you screw everything and you just wanna do the face scrub, you can totally do that. The last and final product is the Topicals Faded Serum. Now this, I think, is my hero product. If I could tell you one skincare product out there in the entire world that is going to change the way that your skin looks, it's this one. And there's a reason why I've made probably like 8 or 9 videos about it. Every single time it's gone viral. Every single time I talk about this product, everyone's like, oh my god, it's out of stock, because it's that good. This is a brightening and clearing serum. It smells like rotten eggs. Apparently the newer versions don't smell that bad, but back then, especially when I was using it, it smelled disgusting. But you had to handle the pain, okay? Because it worked wonders, like so quickly. I think I saw results with this product in just about a month, and that's the second time that I did this without using any of these other products. So I have tested out multiple ways in using these products. This is expensive, but it works wonders. And so if I were to tell you to use one product out of everything that I have just shared, try this, because I think you're gonna be really impressed by the way that you see results with this product. If there's one thing I've learned through this entire skincare journey, it's that you might have to go through the worst battles, and you might even have to let your skin purge a little bit. So if you don't know what skin purging is, it's when you use a new product, you might break out completely all over your face in pimples. That is not unheard of. That's very normal, and I went through that too. Your skin is just adjusting to this new product that you're using. I know a lot of people also experience that with this product, and I think it's because it's so harsh. Also, I should tell you, if you're using this product, you have to not use it with anything else. So I use this at night. You don't want to mix it with any other active ingredients. You just want to use it on your own. But if you're going to use it in the morning, then you have to put sunscreen on top. All right, you guys, that brings us to the end of this routine. Quick disclaimer, I want to say, again, these are products that worked for me and my skin. By the way, my skin type is that I have normal skin. I do have pretty resilient skin. So even if I try new products, and that's why I'm even able to do this, I try a bunch of new products, my skin doesn't really react. So if you have sensitive skin, maybe try introducing these things one at a time. It'll also help your bank account that way, because some of these products are really expensive, and it can be really hard to develop a good skincare routine without having to spend a little bit of money. But other than that, I hope that this helps you guys so much. Please let me know if you have any questions, if you have questions about when to use it, how to use it, how much to use, whatever it is. I would be more than happy to help you guys out, and I'm wishing you guys the best of luck with how your skin turns out after this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.